Hello, scale model enthusiasts. Welcome back to Scale Arts India, the hub for all things collectible. Today, I've got something truly special to unbox. It's the classic 1977 Datsun Pickup M2 64 scale model by M2 Machines. And guess what? By the end of this video, you'll know how you can win this amazing collectible in our giveaway. This Datsun Pickup comes in a sturdy acrylic box, with a durable plastic base. It's perfect for both display and protection, so you can keep it pristine. Or take it out for a closer look. And even the plastic base is incredible, it features a checked aluminum-style design, giving it a premium look. Take a look at this incredible weathered paint finish. It adds such a realistic, vintage feel. Like it's been driven straight out of the 1970s. This is what makes M2 Machines stand out. They know exactly how to bring history to life. The opening bonnet reveals a detailed engine underneath. The craftsmanship in these 1:64 models is simply stunning. It's these small, intricate touches that make every piece a true treasure for collectors. Now that we've unboxed and admired this beauty, here's the best part. You can add this exact model to your collection, because it's our giveaway prize. Here's how you can enter the giveaway. 1. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. 2. Like this video. 3. Comment below, tell us why you love collecting diecast scale models. Or share your favorite collectible. 4. Share this video on your Instagram and Facebook, using the hashtag #ScaleArtsGiveaway, and tag us. For a bonus entry, tag your friends who love scale models. The giveaway starts right now. It'll run for the next 2 weeks. We'll announce the lucky winner on December 25th, Christmas evening. So, don't miss out, make sure to turn on notifications. Good luck, everyone! And thank you so much for supporting our channel. Let's grow our amazing community of collectors together. Don't forget to subscribe, and stay tuned for more stunning unboxing videos like this. See you in the next one.